Good morning! Unfortunately, it is our last day here in Hawaii. All good things need to come to an end, but the fun never stops. The weather today is so nice. I can smell the coffee. Look at all that coffee trees. So we have just arrived here at the heavenly Kona coffee farm. So look at that. We are currently surrounded by all these coffee trees. And so I think that's the main spot where you can taste the coffee, but it's overlooking the ocean. It looks very chill.
Your skin, there's really no fruit, and then your two coffee beans.
We have just completed our tour of the heavenly coffee farm. We're just tasting their brewed coffee. So we've got some candies here.
Candies are handcrafted fruit. Not to eat a lot of them, but I like have one a week. I'm good.
So they currently have 4 different coffee brews that they give out after you do the tour. And this place is so relaxed, so chill. And look at the view right behind us. Alright, so check this out. Got a bunch of goodies. Great cup of coffee right here. Definitely recommend visiting Heavenly Coffee Farm. This coffee is amazing. The experience of just going through the tour, learning more about how to make coffee, the process of growing the coffee, all the way to roasting it. Definitely recommend.
We are here now at the Poke Shack.
Poke heaven right here. Ended up getting a lot of different types of pokies. We've got some fish poke, octopus poke, and shrimp. All this looks good. Look at this octopus poke. This sun is bright, but we are currently here at Kona Brewing here in Kona, Hawaii. There's quite a bit long line over at Kona Brewing. Alright, so they actually gave us a couple of chocolate for testing. Pretty good so far. Probably got us too much chocolate for the road. Finally got our table, and this place is pretty lively. So this is one of the main reasons why we ended up choosing Waikoloa Beach Resort with Marriott, because they actually have a beach right in front of the hotel. Currently at the airport. We ran a little bit late. We basically checked in about 2 minutes before we boarded our flight.